What up, babies? Back again. Okay, y'all. So I'm back with another lit Halloween candle review from Kringle Candle. How many more you got? I don't know. I don't know how many more I got, y'all. But I am trying to pump these out, especially the Kringle ones, before the 31st of October. So, before we do it though, come on. Y'all already know what to do. Hit that like button and do the rest of that stuff, but only if you want to be a part of the Mama's House gang in IG2. Okay, so without further ado, the candle of the day, the candle of the hour, the candle of choice is. Get the candle, stupid. Oh. Black cat, y'all. I don't know why you're trying to do it. You don't match. Shut up. I do. You should have put on an all black. Shut up. You ready? I'm ready. Okay. Come on. Ooh, whoa. They're picking up the garbage. I'm sorry, y'all. This is in the wee hours of the morning. See? Sun peeking through. That's not the sun. That's dusk. No, it's dawn. What is it when it's in the morning? I think it's dawn. The dawn of the day. Okay. This is weird. Oh goodness. I'm filming. Hello.
Hello. What you doing for me?
The audacity. It's just a busy morning. I'm sorry. I started it in the morning. What y'all gonna do? Y'all gonna beat up an old lady because you started candle reviews in the morning? I don't know. It's weird, but I kind of like it. Okay, let's see. Smell a little bit of pine. It's a little earthy, but there's some sweetness to it. I think I like it. I do. I think I like it. Okay, so we got chicken legs, chicken leg, chicken leg. Ooh, a chicken leg. Ooh. Stupid. Yeah. I think I like it. Yeah, so that's all you got? Oh, I smell cinnamon. Yeah. Oh, snap. Okay. Whew. So yeah, so it's cinnamony, earthy with a little bit of sweetness in it. Okay, the notes. Okay, let's get some caddish music. You need to stop that. You can find it. I'm sorry, y'all. It's in the morning. Okay. Wasn't there a song called Black Cat by Janet Jackson? Something like that. Read the notes. Okay. It's the garbage truck. Here we go. All right. You got that cat music?
No!
Oh, this got a 5.0. All right. Good things happen when this cat crosses your path. A complex blend of wood, citrus, and musk create a bright freshness. Did I say any of that? I think you said the earthy, woody part. The top is spicy cinnamon. Then we have clove as mid, and the base is cedar and frankincense. There you go. I do this. Y'all better stop playing with me. Okay. Ooh, I think this one gonna be good. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to trim a lot. I'm going to, and because a lot, because I need it to be like 1/4 of an inch before I light it. Then I'm going to light it, and then I'm going to get this puppy started. I'm sorry, I had coffee. All right. Okay, so I'm going to come back, but I need you guys to come back too. Stay tuned. Okay, y'all, so Black Cat is throwing like a 7. It's throwing like a 7. Performance-wise, y'all know it pulled expeditiously. Nice even pull. Medium high flame. More on the high side. No problems at all. No problems at all. I did notice that when I was lighting her again, it looked a little funky. Take a look. I'm not sure if this was the case for the other soy candles, but look how I just relit it, and look, it's weird. It didn't cool down smooth. Yeah, I just thought I'd point it out. Carry on. Yeah, it was weird. I don't know if all of them do that, but this one I noticed. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. Okay, so let's get into this aroma. I think this may be the second one that I wouldn't really categorize as Halloween, but I would absolutely say this is a fall candle for sure. Now, I smell cinnamon, and I smell earth. It smells good. I like it. I like it a lot. But to me, this is not weird enough to be Halloween. It smells real good, though. It do. Yeah. But funny enough, out of all the packaging, to me, this one popped more than anything. The eyes are just like there. So, yeah. But anyway, let's depict her and wrap this puppy up. All right? Let's see. Yeah, the eyes are like right in your face. Whew. Okay. It do smell good though. Yeah, all right. So spicy cinnamon. Absolutely. Clove. Cedar and frankincense. Yes. Yes, I'm going to say spot on for this one. But to me, this could be just a regular... I could burn this all fall long. What? You heard what I said. Yeah, I could. I could. Without any hesitation. Yeah. It just doesn't put me in a spooky mood. You feel me? But it's a good one. So, $1 million question. Is this a repurchase for me? Not this one. This one is a one and done. Yeah. This is a one and done, y'all. Yeah, it's good, but I really don't need another one. Unless there's a really, really good sale going on and I can get it for like cheap. Then I probably would get it again because it does smell good. But yeah, for now, one and done. So yeah. Okay, y'all. That's it. That's all. And having said all of that, I will see you babies later. I love your guts, and y'all be good.